Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial functions and complex zeros. Let's solve it together. The polynomial function p of x equals x plus 7 times x squared minus 4x minus 12. Which of the following describes the zeros of p? A, p has exactly 2 distinctly zeros. B, p has exactly 3 distinctly zeros. C, p has exactly 1 distinctly zero and no non-real zeros. And D, p has exactly 1 distinctly zero and 2 non-real zeros. To solve this problem, first of all, we will look for the zeros of the polynomial function. To find the zeros of the polynomial function, we're going to use the factors, and we will make each factor equal 0, and then we will solve for x. So what I mean by that is x plus 7 equals 0, and we're going to solve this for 7, and the second one is x squared minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So if I will take away from both sides, x becomes negative 7 for this one. And on the next one, I'm going to use a different pen, color pen. X and x. What numbers when you multiply that gives you 12? You can say 3 and 4, but when I add them, I don't get negative 4. I need 4 differences. So why don't we use then 6 and 2? Because it has a difference of 4. But when I multiply, I need to get a negative 12. When I add them, I need to get positive 12. So this is for multiplication, this is for addition. So which one do you think will be negative? Because one of them has to be negative to receive a negative 12. So the greatest one will be negative, because when you add them, you're going to get negative 4. So therefore, we can rewrite this factor as x plus 2 times x minus 6 equals 0. Then we can make each equal 0. So take away 2 from both sides, and 6. X equals 6. So we have found the zeros of the polynomial function, which is negative 7, negative 2, and 6. So these are the roots of this polynomial, and they are all different, and the quantity is 3. So the correct answer is then choice B, because P has exactly 3 distinct real zeros. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.